Three, two, one.
All right, I think we're live. Welcome to another session. I'm Gareth, and on these sessions, I spent some time basically playing around with AI tools in some way. In this particular session, I'm gonna spend some time with the video models. We're gonna put together basically just this this story, and I'm going to use some video models to sort of put that together, and we'll use a mixture of some of the image models and video models. We'll explore which ones are good, what the benefits are of each one, and hopefully at the end we'll have some video. The story we're going to use today is my friend Steve Ballmer, who is actually not my friend, but just someone that had this talk where he basically talked about developers, and it's pretty legendary. And then I'm basically just gonna meme Steve Ballmer for a little bit during this session. He's hopefully gonna be on a boat during New Year, and we'll continue to sort of build a story around this. I'll use sort of a combination of the video models, image models, and DaVinci Resolve, and hopefully at the end we'll have some cool a cool video to share. All right, with that, I'm going to jump in 30 seconds over to my other machine. Yeah, thanks. Let's call this the Ballmer New Year. Okay. So it's basically going to be a scene. Actually, let's generate a table. Scene 1. Setting the scene with a drone shot of a luxury yacht. And then scene 2, Steve Ballmer shouting at celebrating New Year. Scene 3, Steve Ballmer calls someone on the phone. Scene 4, Steve is not happy. Scene 5, Steve at a nightclub. And I beat that. Alright, there's going to be like sub shots in here because these may not take time, so but I'm just trying to like create this like story. Let's have AI elaborate on it. Okay, I like this. So now it gives me this like pretty cool prompt. So I'm gonna change this and make it pageless. Hopefully I can make this wider. Nope, Google still can't do full page. So crazy. Oh, cool. All right. So I'm going to take this. And I'm going to use the wonderful new model Nano Banana Pro. And it'll hopefully generate a good image for us of this boat. Actually, this should have been an image instead. So if I come back here, I want to use Opus and say, help me create an image prompt for this cinematic. Here we go. So what I'll do is, can you see how this has like the, so there's a couple I'm going to try this on. I'm going to try Flux 2 Pro. I'm also going to try the OpenAI image. And then I'm going to try Flux Schnell 2. Alright, so this is going to go create an image for these. Okay, this is pretty nice. Doesn't really look realistic though, the boat wouldn't be that close. And then there's like this helicopter that looks like it's in the water. Not sure why the helicopter is in the water. So this is a no. Let's see what, that's Flux Schnell. This looks a little better. I want it more in the ocean though. This is the original prompt I gave it. Let's try, this is still going. So let's try Nano Banana, just regular Nano Banana. I want it to actually change the prompt, so I'm going to go back to, we'll use GPT-5, change this so the yacht is in the ocean. Now let's go back to Nano. We did Flux 2 Pro, right? Okay, this is pretty good. I don't like the helicopter. Move the helicopter, move the yacht more out at sea. I'll go again. What else am I need to do? What do I need to do? Okay, I like this one. This one's pretty cool. Okay. Alright, so I have this image now. I'm gonna, I guess, try and create a new column on the right. And then I'll pretty much work at this on a step by step. So like now I need like a, now I can take this image. Let's actually see how this does. Yeah, like, didn't really answer my question. The signal's not great. So like I'm gonna stick with Nano Banana. And now I'm gonna go to the video model. and I'm going to actually start with 3.1 fast and see how this performs. I'm going to change this to 6 seconds and bump the resolution up and get that image. This is still, you want me to paste it? No. Okay, now I'm going to paste this in and yeah, see how this performs. Wait for this to run. While this runs, I'm going to work on the next clip, which is no, but on Pro. And this is where we need Pro because we're going to have Ballmer on here. And I need 2 photos. I need one of Steve Ballmer that I just had, so I need this one. I'm going to turn on image so that web so it knows what 16 by 9, and I need a photo of the boat again. But what I'm hoping is that I can get the last frame from this and use this as like the. I'm just going to use this. Okay. Young friends. All right, so we got this image now. It's in the dark instead, so I'm going to have to change this. Swoopy and John shot. Just as sun is setting. Okay, let's go back and see what this produced. Oh, this is gonna be good. This is gonna be so good. Alright, I think I like this one. The interior of the yacht, confetti streams down from above. Steve Ballmer, customs, he shouts, Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Alright. So my workflow here is just to like get all the shots right now. So this is going to generate What a terrible... Okay, I like the end of this a lot, so what I'm going to do is just try and take this and go back to it. This clear the context and then get that image that I just made. This one, the prompt contains, what does the prompt contain? The prompt contains words that violate gunfire is going to be the issue. Hopefully that works. Alright, so now that we got like some of this, I'm going to go open up DaVinci Resolve and we will get started on trying to put this together. And I don't know how long this is going to be, but I know I enjoy doing this. Okay, so Ballmer, you just duplicate this. And somehow figure out how to make it smaller. I don't make it too small. Okay. It doesn't have. Okay, so I'm going to download this video, put this as my start. Then I'm going to actually accelerate it slightly. So let's go here, change the clip speed to like 300. It's a little bit too fast. Let's do 200. Okay, I like that. It's like a quick, snappy. You see the boat. Next thing you're gonna see is Ballmer on the boat. Okay, I just violated some more guidelines. Okay, I'm gonna just change this completely because I can't get it to work. Okay. Steve Ballmer says, Happy New Year. Happy New Year. The top of his in an aggressive tone. Celebrate. Sometimes I like to also like keep the camera fixed. And sort of work around that. So you basically have this thing done. And roll right. Done with this. And then we're just going to do this one. Ballmer takes a while. Hopefully we don't get hit with some Google aggressive hits. I guess while that goes on, I'm gonna like take the shot. So I'm gonna wait for this to generate, and I'm gonna take a screen from that, hopefully, and then use it to try and patch it together. So like take an image from this video, create a different angle. Hopefully this doesn't take too long. Okay, so we got
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
okay. Then I'm going to put this. Oh, I realize you don't. I gotta keep flipping. Okay, so this is the one that I just got from. Alright, this is the video we got.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
And then I'm going to put this in Resolve.
Happy New
I don't like all that.
Happy New Year! Happy Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
I want to get like another shot of this. So
Here! Here!
There's like a phone call on a boat or something. So I need like an image. Then I want to go to Nano Banana. Take this image. Probably want Pro. Take this image. I need some help. Put together a prompt for a galley phone or something that may appear on this yacht. And crew taking a in this shot taking a phone to Ballmer to guy in the bald who is bald. Show GPT-5 is going to spend 80. Okay, maybe not. Okay. Let's go to Pro. I want this image. Probably should have put the Ballmer photo in this one too, so that it keeps his character the same. Okay. I don't really like that. Let's see. No, can you show an iPhone instead on the... Let's get a photo of an iPhone. I think I spelled plot wrong. So bad. Come on, now, I'm not a pro. Like, seriously, the photo's not that big. Let's change this. So funny. Let's just have him hold a phone. Change this image so that the... what would you call this person? A crew member. Crew member is handing a phone to Steve Ballmer. And then show this same shot but from a different angle, so you are looking over the bald guy's shoulder and see the face of the cabin crew member. Like in films, I noticed that there's always these shots that are sort of like over the shoulder, and that's what I'm trying to recreate here. And you do not see what I'm looking at. Nope, didn't really keep the angles correct, and it messed up the phone. My prompt to get a different angle of this over the bald guy's shoulder and facing inside the yacht. Okay, let's try this one. Nope. Just switch the characters. Okay, so like when I reach the sort of limits of a model, I tend to like flip around to a different one. So like now I'm gonna try Flux 2 Pro with the similar prompt that we just had. What was it? See if this one gets it. You swear like the 3D mechanics of the model of these image models are just not great. I mean, it should be able to understand that like I want a view from behind the Ballmer and showing a shadow of the camera angle faces in the interior. Then I can have some fun with it. It's like, what was that last shot that I had? It's of them celebrating. It was on the yacht. Okay. Let's go to Sora 2 Pro. Bald guy says, "Get me my phone." Okay, well it does that. Let's nope. Okay, so we might not be able to get this shot. We've tried different angles, everything. It's just added another bald guy in. I didn't even consider that. Blocked for content moderation. I just don't understand this model and how it can be. If this gets blocked for content moderation, it's just like so aggressive. Let's just turn it around. Okay, let's try a different one. And you can see that my strategy here is just to like rotate around them. Let's see if the other one, that video generated yet. Let's see, it's in 10 seconds. No. Okay, I don't know what's going on with Sora 2. But let's just jump to VO 3.1 fast. Says, get me my phone now. It cannot figure out how to do this. That's so funny. No. It's Opus. Okay. VO1 fast is generating. So it's suggesting a dirty over the shot. Why is it called a dirty? So strange. Okay, this is rendered.
Get me my phone now! Get me my phone now!
So it needs like a.
Get me my.
So I think it needs like fireworks or something in the ocean or something here. So I'm gonna go to the yacht photo again in DaVinci and get this image, and I'm going to add in a fireworks go off in background. Then it's just so unrealistic. It's like during the middle of the day. I just sent you like these models just wanted to be a little bit better. Like this captured it kind of well. So we got like this like get my phone right now thing going on in DaVinci.
Happy New Year! Get me my phone now!
It's like sometimes it's better to just isolate the character. So let's do that in this one. Let's just get his face here. And use Nana Banana and let's get his face and have him talk to a crew member. Crew member hands is handing phone over to person on the back of the yacht. Let's see where we're at. This is still. Let's finish. Okay. Okay, perfect. So now I got this thing. Let's pull this into DaVinci and. show you what I'm looking at.
Yep.
I'm just trying to like.
Yep.
A bunch of. Let's cut this. Move this in.
Happy New Year! Get me my phone now!
I don't know if I love the background music, but we'll deal with it for now. Okay. Okay, let's jump to this and go back to here, clear the context, take this. This is. Damn, I need to make this darker. No, I'll make this more at night. Where is this? Did I stop it? Yeah. Okay, I like this one, but then let's go back to what's my prompt? Then I want a close up of this. I'm going to go back to here. Close up of phone in hand of guy, of bald guy. Is this gonna work? I'm just going to use a static shot. So it's hopefully going to produce a video here. I probably should have changed the format.
Here is your phone, Mr. Ballmer.
The internet is this is weird. So weird.
Phone now!
Here is your phone, Mr. Ballmer.
Then I'm going to take the last shot from this screen. And did I save the image? Yeah. Nope. Can you give it 2 images? So you can see what I'm basically trying to do is like stitch together this whole sequence of events. So it's like
Happy New Year! Get me my phone now!
Here is
I don't even like this, so I'm gonna cut.
New Year!
I don't even want that long, so
here is your phone, Mr. Ballmer.
so this cost me $1.08. So that's like, you can see how this adds up. Alright, so I don't like any of the movement in this shot, but I do like one part of it, so I'm gonna pull this in here. I like this part here where it like pulls away. I don't want to drop the phone, so I'm just going to leave it like that. I want a different view of this shot, so this is where I need to go back to here. See how generating images is so much cheaper. And pull in this one shot here. Find a for Steve Ballmer. I should have specified the character was. This takes a little bit of time. It just produced the same fucking shot. Face on of bald person talking shots. Looking in and face shots. This is where I need Pro, and if I do need Pro, let's just go to Pro and produce this thing. Just like what? What are you doing? Talking on phone on yacht. 16 by 9. And this is going to take some time. How am I doing on my time, actually? Been going for a while. We have 12 seconds.
Happy New Year!
Let's increase this.
Here is your phone, Mr. Ballmer.
Let's cut this some more because I noticed there's like
Ballmer.
No one is going to notice that. Okay, now I got a great shot. I like this one a lot. So now I can go to VO 3.1. Then I say probably don't need 8 seconds. This is going to be an expensive video. Okay, but I don't want Steve Ballmer, doesn't want to be in this. Bold man shouts. That means I could change this. I need your updates right now. Probably 6 seconds. Sometimes just like move the camera around. So coming back to this dock, call someone on the phone. This one, Steve is not happy. I'm gonna like try and find a different angle for this while this runs. So we're gonna use how much was this? Price is 20 cents. How much was the Pro one? This was how much? 11 cents. Okay, I think I can go with Pro. Different angle of this shot. Well, that runs. Let's see if we got a video. Looks like we did.
Gareth, wait, Rachel! Gareth! I need your updates right now!
Okay, let's put this into resolve. Don't know what's going on here. Okay, what the hell? What's going on with this?
Mr. Ballmer?
Okay.
Gareth, wait, Rachel! Gareth! I need your updates! There it Gareth! I need your updates right now! Wow.
All right. Okay. Okay. And make the light darker outside. Person should still be on phone. I don't know why. I just kept keeping the two females in the shot. Okay, so next on this list we have Steve's not happy. Let's jump back here and see what we got. Let's see.
Happy New Year!
Here is your phone, Mr. Ballmer.
Gareth, I need your updates right now.
And this involves just like
I need your updates right now.
okay, now I got what I need. I got this one, then I can go here, clear the context, take the prompt from here. Oh wait, it didn't. No, what is going on? Did I not get that image? Did not do it? Oh, here we go. Copy image. Let's make this shorter. Let's essentially keep it at 8 seconds. Okay, well that runs I'm going to try and find Midjourney and look something up. Okay, let's copy this. Go to just regular Nana Banana. You see where I'm going with this? Oh. Okay.
No, it's not like this guy said that's a big shit that you get yours. No, do it. No, stop.
Okay, I like the start of this one. My battery is gone. Oh, it says everything about this, so I'm gonna keep going on this. Let's move to here. And you get these like clips and then they're only like
No, it's not like this guy. No, it's not like this guy. No, it's not. It's not like this guy says that's it because you're the guinea in the horse. No, don't.
I can cut some of this out in the audio later, but it's like got the.
No, stop it.
Pretty funny. Okay, now I have a nightclub that I want to put him in. So let's do this. Let's get the image. Man in suit sat in nightclub. VIP area dancing wildly. Okay, let's play this full thing again.
Happy New Year!
is your phone, Mr. Ballmer.
Happy New Year!
Here is your phone, Mr. Ballmer.
Gareth, I need your updates right now. No, stop it.
There's so many ways I could just like take this thing and just make it better. Then I'm trying to put him now in a nightclub, which is so funny. I don't know why I enjoy this so much.
Yes, everything is proceeding as planned.
No, it missed it. Crap. I made a mistake here. I needed to go here. Clear the context. Copy image. Then put the other image and put him in here. Put guy in a suit in nightclub. Hopefully Pro can get this. So like sometimes you just make some mistakes and it's like not the best because it costs money to do this.
Happy New Year!
Here is your phone, Mr. Ballmer.
Gareth, I need your updates right now. No, stop it.
I like these cuts because they're like they're more realistic. Okay, this needs to be improved so it looks a little bit better, but it is pretty funny how he's like in this VIP area and they got him like sitting down. So I think it might work. Let's go to fast again because I don't want to spend too much money on this. Fast. What was the? Okay, let's hopefully this will get it, and if it doesn't, let's try we didn't try some other models, so let's try Kling's in here too. Steve in the suit. Let's go here, go to history, take this. See how Kling does. Then let's also see how let's do another one. Let's try runway 2. History. We'll try runway. Okay. Kling not produced yet.
I won't back down.
I have no idea what that came up with. What was that? Wrestling is how it got there. Interesting. What was Runway doing? What? Okay. Oh, I like the rotoscoping. That's pretty cool. What is it? Barrel roll around? Is that what it's called? Barrel roll around. Let's see if it does that. Alright, I'm gonna call this soon. How much is fast? It's like $1. I guess I've probably done like 30 of these, it's like $30. I just wish it was cheaper. Two. Barrel roll. Doesn't really retain his features very well. Let's try one more. And let's get Ballmer again. Do any of the others run? Am I waiting for them? Let's see how this last one does, and then we'll jump. We're doing on time. What the? No, I just couldn't really get it. I need him to be like center of the shot. So I needed to like go back here and to improve this. I needed to like take this shot. What was my prompt? In a very I just need to do more generic, basically. And then I would generate a video from this. See how it does. Didn't really use some more, so let's see how some of the more image models work. And give them a shot. Let's try a GPT-1 image. Put guy in a suit in a busy nightclub in Ibiza, flashing lights. So bad. That was so bad. This is so bad. I mean, you didn't even like try and attempt to get him in amongst the crowd. It's so bad. That is so bad. Okay, image 1 is still going. Let's see if we can get some of these other image models in on the game. Flux context match. Let's see. Change this so he is. So the guy in the suit is raving in the middle of this. Okay, I like this. That is a really good shot from GPT. I like flux context. This is pretty funny. This is pretty funny. It doesn't get his facial characters that great, but it did get some stuff like people are like looking at him. What was the one that OpenAI came up with? This one. I mean, that's pretty good. It's got like the shadows on his shoulder. Yeah. Let's actually have him remove the phone. How much is image 1? How much was that? 29 cents. That's not too bad. Then I can like have him dance once I have this, and then I'll finish the video. And this is just so addicting. It's like super easy to keep going on this. And then what you can do is like move him out, then add someone else in the video somewhere else. I don't know why I pointed at my screen. Come on, Gemini. How long did this one take? Doesn't say here. No, no. This takes a long time. And it's slow. Come on. Why did it pixelate it? Didn't even need to pixelate it. Okay, let's just use the image and see. Let's do fast again to keep costs down. What are the rates of this? So this one's 1.35 per second, and what is VO3? .32 per second. Wow, is it so much cheaper than VO? This is a really good image, but then it messed up the second one. It's so strange. Don't love the music, but we are going to stick with it and let's get this thing rolling because we've spent enough time on it. So this is like
Happy New Year!
Here is your phone, Mr. Ballmer.
Gareth, I need your updates right now.
No, Stella.
all right. Let me jump back to my mission. One sec. All right, this one was a fun one. We, I guess, spent some time trying to meme Steve Ballmer in this session. It's sort of useful to sort of get a capture of like where these models are good and where they have where there's some room for improvement. Obviously, some of the initial shots, like the drone shots, did a really good job with. As you can see, I sort of like have this strategy of combining the image model with the video model and then like trying to use the image model as an input to the video model to produce something. There's still some work on the image model side, I think, to like make the have some concept of the world around it, like trying to change the angle. Maybe it was just my prompting, but just like feels like there's just they're not quite there yet. So I'm just like hoping we get some better image models that are good at different perspectives, particularly because like when I was putting that together, I wanted sort of some chaining of shots. They're also pretty expensive, so like finding the right place to find these models, I think, is important, because you know, $1 a video. And how many do I have in this slide? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I mean, I probably spent like $20 or something on that video for 20 seconds. That's, you know, that's quite a bit. That's quite expensive, I think, for what it is. I learned, when I always do this, I enjoy it. It's like a good way of of like learning more about the models, where they have some opportunity, where the like basically where the boundaries are. So if you found this useful, please let me know. If you have ideas, also let me know. All right, with that, thank you. Bye.